Yeah, so I discovered something crazy about OTC markets and trading during this time, the OTC market. And honestly, it's blowing my mind. Imagine making bigger profit by simply changing the time you trade. So from nighttime to daytime and changing that to around 50 or 60%. And it's not what you think. A lot of traders are completely missing this, and it's costing them a lot of money every single trade. All right, so this is my latest session or my latest trades. I was trading OTC here, not here, but previously I was trading OTC, and then I changed it to trading at daytime, and it's blowing my mind. Honestly, it's blowing my mind. As usual, I'm using my trading strategy, the only strategy that I use on this channel, and yeah, it's crazy, guys. It's crazy. So let's go up the first trade because I got a signal and I want to share it with you. And guys, if you are interested in learning binary options trading from me and interested also in learning my trading strategy, I invite you to take my course. The course is in the description of this video, or you can go directly to binarystrategycourse.com. Binarystrategycourse.com. You can learn and yeah, master the strategy and start trading binary options with it. Also, if you can't or you are not interested in purchasing the course, you can develop your own trading strategy. But as beginner, it's a little bit harder because when developing your own trading strategy, especially with the indicators, because you will not want to overuse the indicators, because overusing technical indicators can lead to poor decision making and reduced effectiveness. Some of the factors or the reasons is that the indicators will overlap redundancy. It's called the redundancy. Many technical indicators provide like similar informations or yeah, the first swim, beautiful. I guess now we will see red candles. I guess just give me a second. Let me just check because I believe yeah, yeah. We should start seeing red candles. Yeah. So let's with $400, let's open a put position. So as I was saying, especially when they are based on the same underlying price. I'm talking about the indicators. I'm talking about using multiple indicators that provide like similar informations, like the moving averages, like RSI and the stochastic oscillator, uh, and using multiple of these indicators that give you the same signals can create redundancy rather than adding value to your analysis. So please be careful when using multiple indicators that can be useless most of the time and can be also harmful. I guess we should open another down position. Yeah, that's clear. Another down position. Yes, so $400. So back to what I was saying. I was saying about overusing indicators. For example, you want to use RSI, or as I saw some traders using RSI and stochastic oscillator, but they measure momentum. They both measure momentum, and that's useless using them both at the same time. So it can give you duplicate signals and clutter your decision making process without adding any new insights, and you don't want that. So redundant indicators won't give you clearer signals, but may cause confusion, leading to hesitations or overconfidence in taking trades. Yeah. So now up. Yeah. It's an. I guess it's the beginning of an uptrend. Yeah, this is the beginning of an uptrend. So what I was talking about. So we were talking about using multiple indicators, especially the lagging indicators. Because many technical indicators are lagging by nature, meaning they rely on past price actions or past data to provide future signals. and that's like it's not right, you know. But so when you are using too many lagging indicators together, you may receive delayed and conflicting signals, resulting in missed opportunities or entering trades too late. Great. Should I? It's not. Let me just check. I guess now we should. Yeah, we should go up, because yeah, see, this small trend is great, but I don't believe that it will last for long time, for more than 2 minutes. This uptrend. I was talking about the lagging indicators and using too many lagging indicators. For example, the moving averages are used by a lot of traders, but and some of them even use multiple moving averages together. So if you use multiple moving averages with different time frames, the signals may be slow, causing you to enter trades after the trend has already developed. So you will enter late and you will lose the trade. Yeah. All right. So I guess now we will see a red candle. Yeah, a red candle. So with $400, let's go down. And yeah, so guys, overusing lagging indicators can delay your trades, reducing profit and effectiveness of your strategy, especially in fast moving averages or sorry, fast moving markets. Like in this case, I'm trading binary options with the 1 minute candlesticks and 1 minute expiration time. That's fast. That's fast, guys. And you need something like fast decision making that helps you take your decisions fast. Also, you find yourself in the paralysis by analysis. Paralysis by analysis. I hope I'm saying it right. Let me just check. Green. Yeah, next is green. But I'm not sure about. So let's go up. Even I'm not sure. Just a reminder. I'm not sure about it. Believe it's going to be green, but I'm not 100% sure. So as I was saying, paralysis by analysis, because too many lagging indicators or overusing indicators can lead to paralysis by analysis, where this means that you will find yourself conflicting signals, or where conflicting signals from various indicators cause confusion and indecision. And that's why one of the examples is when indicators may show a bullish signal. For example, MACD show you a bullish signal, while another indicator like RSI will show you a bearish condition or bearish signal. This can leave you uncertain about whether to enter the trade or not, resulting in missed opportunities or poor decision. You will just keep thinking about the trade and miss the opportunity. So instead of clarifying the market directions, like instead of using indicators to clarify the market directions, or using multiple indicators or too many indicators can cause an analysis overload, making it harder to pull the trigger when it's time to trade. So I guess this is the last trade, guys. I'm not giving you any financial advices here. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. I'm not telling you that you make the same amount of money as I'm doing here. This is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. So please be careful, educate yourself, and trade on demo account. Never trade with the real money unless you are 100% sure about your trading strategy.